Welcome to Instron's first ever virtual biomedical open house. I'm Patty Hartzell, Group President for Instron, Buehler, and NSI companies. One of my favorite events has always been our open days, when we welcome our customers into our facilities to meet with our people and see our products. But obviously 2020 had other plans for us, so we've decided to do things a little different this year and take the event online. For years, we've worked closely with the biomedical industry to improve and simplify the testing of biomedical products and devices. These days, we know that many of you are facing new challenges as you respond to the pandemic. Whether you need help navigating FDA regulations and data integrity requirements, or are simply looking for some testing advice from our experts, our sessions are designed to offer something for everyone. So welcome to our Bio Open House. We hope that you enjoy the day.